to follow. Okay, quadratic formula is a formula we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Whatever comes in front of the x squared is a, so a equals 1, b equals 2 root 5, c will equal minus 15. Then everybody together do the minus b form. You just type it into your calculator, don't bother taking it down, but just type it into your calculator, okay? Now, the way I tend to do this is I tend to leave all the brackets empty, like this. Quite lazy, don't want to do any more work than I have to, okay? So here's what I do, I go to my calculator, I'd start like this. You can't do plus minus, so you have to choose one of them. I choose plus at the start, and you can see that I'm just filling it out. But I'm actually not doing anything here, see that? See the way it's all blanks? Just going to go back and start slotting in everything. Now if b is 2 root 5, minus b will be minus 2 root 5. So I'll just go back to the very beginning, and now I'll just press minus 2 root 5. That's for b. And then b squared is 2 root 5 squared. Very lazy like this. Then what's it, 4 times a is 1, c is minus 15, all over 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. Press the equal sign and you're done. X is root 5 is one answer, and the other answer is you go back to the start, and where it was a plus, you're now going to make it a minus. And you get minus 3 root 5 as the second answer. Is that okay with you guys? Now, what's the one thing I've done risky there? If you were correcting this, what have I done completely wrong? Whatever you type in your calculator goes on paper, doesn't it? So I would actually have to physically fill that in. And now, and only now, I'm entitled to full marks. You get what I'm saying? But you can do it in 2 goes, no bother. Right? I'm sure you can do this later on. It's easy enough one, right? Okay, so that's question 51 done. Now, you're going to have these 2 preset formulas, okay? These 2 here, do you see that? Now, essentially this is what happens. If I multiply this back out, guess what should happen? What should happen when I multiply all that back out? I will get 6 terms, but what should happen to all 6 terms? They're going to cancel, most of them are going to cancel, and it's going to leave over 2 terms.
Just a reminder as we head towards the end of the day. And
what can you see happens there? Cancel with that one, and wait, there's a minus in there somewhere, isn't there? I mucked up there. The 2 of them are a minus, sorry, I multiplied them out wrong. That's a minus, that's a minus. They cancel each other. So it's x cubed minus y cubed. Everybody cool with that? I also cool that if I multiplied this one out, the same thing would happen as well. Now, I have a question for you. Okay. If we have Ben cubed plus Kenny cubed, what's the answer for Ben cubed plus Kenny cubed? In brackets, of course. Ben plus Kenny, yeah, open bracket. Ben squared minus Ben Kenny means Ben multiplied by Kenny, yep, plus Ben squared. Do you get what I'm saying? Doesn't matter what's in there, just put it in its correct position. And I used to say red blob plus blue blob cubed, red blob cubed plus blue blob cubed, or red cubed plus blue cubed. Very easy, isn't it? Red plus blue, red squared, red minus red multiplied by blue, plus blue squared. Everybody cool with that? Here's what you gotta do next. Any one of these questions, let's say question 54 here, they're all cubed numbers. So look at this. This is gonna be 2 cubed, isn't it? And what's this one gonna be? 3k cubed. So it's 2 cubed and 3k cubed. So look at this. Instead of x, what do we have? 2 cubed, and instead of y, we have? So give me the answer. 2 plus 3k, 2 squared is 4, 6k, and then 3k squared, 2b squared, 3k multiplied by another 3k. Okay, for homework tonight, 51, 52, 53, 54. And the hell with it, 55.